Hey everyone, welcome back to the AI for Beginners with Python. Last time we built our very first neural network and explored how machines think and learn. Today it's time to apply everything we have learned to a real world project. We are going to build a simple student performance predictor, an AI model that estimates how well a student might perform based on factors like study hours, attendance, and previous grades. Let's get started. We will create a new file and import all our libraries. Let's create a file and name it student underscore performance.py. Importing the libraries. In real projects, data comes from Excel or CSV files. But to keep it simple, let's create a dataset right inside Python. Here we have got four columns. Study hours, how much a student studies. Attendance, how consistent they are. Previous score, last exam marks. And then final marks, what we want to predict. Before training the AI model, let's visualize the data to see patterns. With help of these two figures, figure 2 and figure 1, we can see that final marks are closely related to study hours and previous score, perfect for prediction. Now let's split our data into features X, which will have inputs, and target Y, what we want to predict, and divide it into training and testing sets. Now we don't need these lines of code, so I'm just gonna turn them into comments. So we got training samples 9 and testing samples 3. Cool. We will use linear regression since this is a continuous prediction problem, perfect for numeric outputs like marks. We initialized our model, we are training it. Let's predict now. So we got model trained successfully. Let's see how well our model performed. We will use mean squared error and R2 score to evaluate our matrices. And we got our values. Here we got 0.98, which is close to 1, a good R square score. This basically means our model is predicting accurately. Now we are going to plot actual versus predicted marks to visualize the performance. If the blue points lie close to the red line, our AI model is performing really well, which you can see here. Let's use our trained AI to predict the marks for a new student. Now we will create new data equal to np dot array. Here 5 is study hours, 85 is attendance, and 75 is previous score. Let's predict the marks using our model. Dot predict new underscore data and then print it to the screen. It's final marks. Let me just make these all as comments. So our AI says the student might score around 78.86 marks. Cool, right? Here's what we covered today: created and visualized a dataset, split it into training and testing, then trained a linear regression model, evaluated the performance, and made real predictions. This is the same process used in real world AI applications, whether predicting sales, grades, or prices. And that's it for today's project. You just built your first AI project that predicts student marks step by step in VS Code. In the next episode, we'll explore AI tools and trends 2025, ChatGPT, Gemini, Copilot, AutoML, and how they make AI development faster and smarter. Like the video, comment AI learns like me, and subscribe for more hands on AI tutorials. See you in the next episode.